Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can turn yourself into a Barbie kind of doll on Hypic. It's not like the exact style, but it will turn you into like this plastic doll, as you can see here. You can select try now there, or you can select import to insert your image first. So select import. Then you are going to select AI filters here, and you're just going to simply select plastic doll for the filter. You can choose from these as well if you'd like to, but just going to wait for this to load a little bit. It does take a few minutes depending on your picture, and yeah, turns her into a doll basically. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!